Feeling tired, moody, or bloated for no clear reason? These symptoms can be frustrating and confusing, especially when they seem to come out of nowhere. You might find yourself wondering if it's just a part of getting older, or if the stress of daily life is finally catching up with you. But what if there's another explanation? What if these feelings of fatigue, irritability, and discomfort are actually signals from your body that something deeper is going on? It might not be stress or aging, it could be your hormones. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating many of our body's functions, from our energy levels to our mood and even our digestion. When they're out of balance, it can lead to a host of issues that can make everyday life feel like a struggle. But understanding this connection is the first step towards feeling better. By recognizing that your hormones might be the root cause of your symptoms, you can start to take action to restore balance and improve your overall well-being. The great news is, you don't need pills or pricey treatments to reset your balance. While it might be tempting to reach for a quick fix, the truth is that there are natural, effective ways to support your hormonal health. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can help your body find its equilibrium without relying on medications or expensive therapies. This approach not only addresses the symptoms but also tackles the root cause, leading to more sustainable and long-lasting results. Today, you'll discover 7 powerful foods that support healthy hormones, increase your energy, and improve your mood, naturally. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help your body function at its best. From leafy greens to vibrant fruits, each of these foods has unique properties that can contribute to hormonal balance. By incorporating them into your daily meal, you can start to feel more energized, happier, and more in tune with your body. Stay tuned, because number 3 is a surprising one that most people overlook. As we go through this list, you'll learn not only what these foods are, but also how they work to support your hormonal health. We'll explore the science behind their benefits and provide practical tips on how to include them in your diet. Whether you're dealing with fatigue, mood swings, or digestive issues, these foods can make a significant difference. So, get ready to take notes and make some delicious changes to your diet. Your journey to better hormonal health starts now. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty. They contain lignans, which are natural compounds that help balance estrogen levels, especially in women. These super seeds also support detoxification and reduce PMS symptoms. Bonus, they're rich in fiber and omega-3s, making them a hormone-friendly choice for skin, brain, and gut health. Avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated fats, which help the body produce and regulate estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. They also contain vitamin B6 and potassium, which are essential for adrenal function and cortisol balance. If your energy crashes midday or you feel stressed constantly, avocados might be your new best friend. Maca root is an adaptogen from Peru, used for centuries to support hormone health. It works with your endocrine system to boost libido, balance stress hormones, and even support thyroid function. Studies show maca helps with symptoms of menopause, fatigue, and mood swings. Add a teaspoon to your smoothie or oatmeal. Your hormones need omega-3 fatty acids to function properly. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the fluidity of cell membranes, which is vital for hormone receptor function. Without adequate omega-3s, your body may struggle to produce and regulate hormones effectively, leading to imbalances that can affect everything from mood to metabolism. Wild-caught salmon is rich in EPA and DHA, which reduce inflammation, support brain health, and balance cortisol and insulin. EPA and DHA are types of omega-3 fatty acids that are particularly beneficial for reducing chronic inflammation, which is linked to numerous health issues such as heart disease, arthritis, and even some cancers. By incorporating wild-caught salmon into your diet, you can help mitigate these risks and promote overall well-being, and balance cortisol and insulin. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, can wreak havoc on your body when levels are too high for prolonged periods. High cortisol levels can lead to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, and can also affect your sleep and immune function. Insulin, on the other hand, is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Omega-3s help to keep these hormones in check, ensuring that your body functions smoothly. Omega-3s also regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce symptoms of anxiety. For women, a regular menstrual cycle is a sign of good health and hormonal balance. Omega-3s can help alleviate menstrual pain and reduce the severity of PMS symptoms. Additionally, these fatty acids have been shown to have a positive effect on mental health. They can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, making you feel more relaxed and at ease, and reduce symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety can be debilitating, affecting your ability to perform daily tasks and enjoy life. Omega-3s have been found to reduce the production of stress hormones and promote the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. By including wild-caught salmon in your diet, you can support your mental health and improve your overall quality of life. Aim for 2 servings per week, or consider a supplement if you don't eat fish. Consuming wild-caught salmon twice a week can provide you with the necessary amount of omega-3s to reap these health benefits. If you're not a fan of fish, omega-3 supplements, such as fish oil capsules, can be a good alternative. However, it's always best to get your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible, as they offer a range of other beneficial compounds that supplements may lack. Or consider a supplement if you don't eat fish. When choosing a supplement, look for one that contains both EPA and DHA, and make sure it's sourced from high-quality, sustainable fish. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs. By making these small changes to your diet, you can significantly improve your hormonal health and overall well-being. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are high in magnesium, folate, and antioxidants. They help detoxify excess estrogen from the body, support liver health, and reduce hormonal acne. If you struggle with bloating or mood swings, daily greens can make a big difference. Try adding a handful to your morning smoothie. Eggs, especially the yolk, are packed with choline, vitamin D, and healthy fats, which are critical for producing estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. They also support brain and thyroid function. Eating whole eggs can stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings, which is key for hormonal balance. Berries like blueberries and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect hormone-producing glands from stress. They're also low in sugar and high in fiber, making them perfect for stabilizing insulin and reducing inflammation. Hormone tip: combine berries with healthy fats for longer energy and better absorption. Just as important as what you eat is what you avoid. Highly processed foods, added sugars, alcohol, and poor quality fats like vegetable oil can all throw your hormones out of balance, leading to health issues. Try replacing these with real whole foods and plenty of water for better health. Your hormones affect everything, from your mood and metabolism to sleep. They are the silent conductors of your body's orchestra, ensuring that every system works in harmony. When your hormones are balanced, you feel energized, focused, and at peace. But when they are out of sync, it can lead to a myriad of issues, including fatigue, weight gain, and mood swings. Understanding the role of hormones in your body is the first step towards achieving optimal health. Hormones like cortisol, insulin, and thyroid hormones play crucial roles in how you feel every day. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, helps your body respond to stress but can cause problems when levels are too high or too low. Insulin regulates your blood sugar levels, and imbalances can lead to diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Thyroid hormones control your metabolism, and imbalances can result in weight gain or loss, fatigue, and depression. And skin. Start by adding just 2 or 3 of these powerful foods to your diet this week. Foods like avocados, rich in healthy fats, can help balance your hormones and improve your skin. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with nutrients that support hormone production. Nuts and seeds, such as flax seeds and walnuts, provide essential fatty acids that are crucial for hormone health. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can make a significant difference in how you feel. For breakfast, try adding avocado to your toast or smoothie. For lunch, a salad with plenty of leafy greens and a sprinkle of seeds can be both delicious and nutritious. Dinner can include a variety of hormone-boosting foods, such as a stir-fry with plenty of vegetables and a handful of nuts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-based tips from VitalSurge Nutrition. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest information on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our expert advice and practical tips that can help you lead a healthier, happier life. and let us know in the comments, which hormone balancing food are you trying first? We love hearing from our community and learning about your experiences. Your feedback helps us create content that is both informative and engaging. Whether you're new to hormone health or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and share. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can take control of your hormone health and improve your overall well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to better health today with VitalSurge Nutrition.